Alright, so today, keeping it simple, and we're going to go ahead and make another cauliflower crust pizza, and we're going to do a buffalo chicken cauliflower crust pizza. So I went ahead and made the crust. It's the same crust I made the last time. I did go a little darker this time. I wanted to kind of get a little bit more of a hold on it. So I took it just another minute or so past. But this one's going to be fairly straightforward. I'm going to make a buffalo sauce for this. And then going to make a homemade ranch to go over it. But we'll use the sauce as the base. And then we got our toppings here. I'm going to put some fresh jalapeno on here, some green onion, and then some cheese. Now, I've never been a huge fan of like blue cheese, so you don't have to put blue cheese on it if you don't want. I'm not going to, but if you want to, go for it. That's about the only other thing that I would do is put like gorgonzola or something on it. But in this case, I want to do a little less cheese, a little healthier conscious recipe, and then just, you know, I'm not a huge fan of blue cheese. So let's start with the ranch that's going to go on top of this. Now, this recipe I have made before. I really enjoy the way this recipe works. It's a nice, easy alternative. But I will put the full recipe in the description below, as well as for the hot sauce. But we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of mayo, olive oil mayo, and then a 1/4 cup of light sour cream, a teaspoon of dried chives, a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then give that a good mix. Okay, and then I'm going to put this in a squeeze bottle because I want to be able to drizzle this over once we're ready for it. Okay, we're going to put this in the fridge for now until we're ready for it. But now let's go ahead and make our wing sauce. So I am not going to put butter in this. Not because I don't want to, but because it's just, again, I'm trying to stick to a healthier alternative. It does mean it's going to give it a lot more spice, and we're not going to make a whole lot, but I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup, just regular like Frank's or some sort of hot sauce. Okay, then a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then if you want to make it like a Nashville hot kind of wing sauce, then just add some honey to it. But go ahead and whisk that together. Perfect. Let's assemble our pizza. Okay, so we'll start with our wing sauce. Okay, then I have some grilled chicken that I made earlier, and I'm just gonna put him on here. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my fresh jalapenos on here. All right, and then mozzarella cheese. Okay, then we're gonna throw a little bit of green onion on here, and then we'll garnish it with some after it's done cooking. And then just a little bit of pecorino romano, because why not? Bam! So let's head out to the pizza. Alright, look at that. I'm so excited. Alright, we got a ranch. I'm not going to put any more green onion on it because it looks nice the way it does. But I am going to take what's left, or a little bit, of my hot sauce and kind of drizzle it over. Give it some more color. Give it some love. So yeah, make sure you save, I don't know, a tablespoon or two. That way you can, you know, make it look nice. Alright, and then, okay, and then our ranch, and voila. Huzzah. Let's try it out. Alright, let's dive in. I'm hungry, I'm starving, this smells good, this looks good. All the above. Alright, let's go for this guy. Oh yeah, cheers. Ooh, I can tell that this crust held together a lot better than the last one. Woo! Let's go. That has the right amount of heat. The crust has just a little bit of crunch on the outside. This is phenomenal. That hot sauce is there just enough to let you know that it's there. And then the jalapenos kind of do the rest of the work. And the jalapenos are cooked through, but it has just a little bit of crunch still. This might be my new favorite pizza. And then the ranch just kind of balances everything out and makes you feel like you're not just eating hot sauce. This is fantastic. I can't believe I haven't done this sooner. This is making me glad that I bought this pizza oven. This is phenomenal. Wow. Well guys, there you have it, a buffalo chicken pizza on a cauliflower crust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button. Throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, throw out some ideas maybe. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!